Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video from the Thai Ladies Club. And in today's video, as always, I came to show you where I buy all my Thai shirts of this quality here. So, editor, without further ado, roll the intro. And let's get to the video, because today I'm going to teach them how to make a lot of money with team shirts. Roll the intro. Well, so guys, first of all, my name is Gustavo. Welcome to the Thai Ladies Club channel. In today's video, as always, another day, another week, another month, I came to show you the product that will make you earn a lot of money, which is the product of team shirts where you can buy directly from the factory, as I will provide for you. That's right, for you to start your new business. And the best part, look at the quality of this shirt that I am wearing here from Lyon, and look at the quality of this 2021 shirt from Real Madrid. I will briefly show you, but later I will leave a video showing all the characteristics of them and the new releases as well. Just take a look, check it out. Look at the watermark. Notice that here it has a watermark with the Real Madrid crest. So, the quality is impeccable, it's the best there is. Gustavo, but how much can I buy this shirt for? Friend, you can buy this shirt for if you go to get one of these shirts, you only pay 20 euros, as 15 euros is for the shirt and 5 euros is for delivery. In other words, 20 euros is quite cheap. Gustavo, but how much can I sell this shirt for? You can sell this shirt at an affordable price for your customers. Around 35 to 45 euros. Because generally the original shirt costs 90 euros and has the same quality as the shirt you will pay 15 euros for. Therefore, this is the best market. The market where you need to get in on this in 2024 because it is the largest market in the world. Everyone loves football, and everyone enjoys football. You can start small by ordering 1 or 2 shirts, as this supplier also caters to retail and works with dropshipping, but I will explain that to you shortly. If you want to start, you can sell at your workplace, to your friends, or to your family, anyone you show the shirt to will want to buy it. The quality is impeccable, and the price is very affordable. Now, I will leave a video for you showing the quality of the new black Barcelona shirt, which is incredible and is selling very well, with many customers looking for it. So, you can take advantage of this video to see the quality. The supplier also has a WhatsApp group where he shares all these videos for you to use and show to your clients. So, editor, play the video. Quality of the new Barcelona shirt. As you saw in the video I just shared, the quality of the shirt is impeccable and meets all the original standards. From the colors to the blue and red emblem, all the standards are followed. The quality is impeccable. Now, let's talk a bit more about the supplier. I will provide you with his contact information below, and you can reach out to him via WhatsApp, where he will provide you with all the price lists, and you can also customize your shirt there. He has models available, ranging from retro shirts to the latest ones, from this season, such as the one from Barcelona, the new one from Real Madrid, and from all teams. He also works with the dropshipping model, which means you buy directly from the supplier and send it straight to your customer's home, without needing to handle it yourself first. At the supplier, you can also customize the name and number, as you choose, or the choice of your customer. And what if I want to buy wholesale, to build up stock, or even to resell many pieces? This supplier is also a wholesaler. By purchasing just 4 shirts, the shipping is completely free to your home. And the more shirts you buy, the cheaper they become. This is very good. It's amazing for us who sell football shirts. And for those of you who are starting in this market this year, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you join the supplier group, get in touch with the supplier, and make at least 1 test order so you can see the quality of the shirt and realize that sometimes you end up paying 4 times more for a shirt because this shirt is identical to the original and has no defects compared to the actual one. The only issue is the benefit of the price, as it is much cheaper. I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. If you enjoyed the video and like that I bring suppliers here for you every week, I show you, I open the black box, the treasure, so you can find the supplier and make a lot of money in this market. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.